It is Sunday, June 3rd, and we leave for London this evening, but I actually have a lot to do today. First things first, I'm going to eat some breakfast. That was not a sentence. So I'm just going to be having the leftover of my eggs. I'm just gonna scramble them. I made like this very over-the-top breakfast yesterday, so that is my same exact game plan for today because it was actually really good. So I will be having 3 large eggs, and then I'm going to have some of this Daya dairy-free cheese. If you guys haven't tried this, it's really good. It's made with almond milk, I believe. So my favorite is the smoked Gouda, and I was a huge cheese fan when I could have lactose, and I gotta say this tastes exactly like Gouda. It's a pretty easy flavor to recreate because it is smoked, but highly recommend that even if you're just looking to try out a dairy-free cheese. And then I'm going to have some of this salsa on top of it. So this is with a splash of lime, and this isn't too spicy for me. And then I'm just gonna cook it with whatever oil we have. So probably this Pam. And the agenda mostly for today is I'm gonna eat, and then I'm going to go to the gym real quick. I will not be going to the gym at all the full 2 weeks that we're in London, so I might just bench because I don't really have that much time. I am back from the gym, so I just benched. I did, my top sets were 85 for 3 sets of 3, and then I went ahead and did some accessory work. So I did 2 sets of 6 for just some wide grip pull-ups, unassisted. I can do pull-ups now. Crazy, right? And then I also did just some bicep accessories, and then the tricep push down. So I've been hitting arms, honestly, like a lot, because it's the one thing that I want to grow, arms and shoulders. So I've been hitting both of them for like usually biceps just once a week. Triceps, I hit them 3 times a week. I only do like 2 accessories like each time I do them, but I do tons of volume. And same thing with shoulders, and that is what I've found works the best for me. So if you're having trouble building muscle, you're eating enough, you're doing the exercise correctly, mess around with your volume and you can probably see some different results. But I'm just about to figure out what to do here. So you guys will see Express stuff coming soon. I'm very, very excited. I'm going to be filming a video for them. I'm basically wearing what I'm going to wear to the airport. So this top is one of the items that I got from Express. So I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. I think it was like $25. And then I'm wearing my Lululemon Align pants. These are just the blue ones. I wear a size 4 in these. I'm wearing this little bag that I think I got from Shein or Romwe a while ago. And then I'm wearing my Nike Flex. But I'm not actually going to be bringing those to London. I'm just gonna bring my Converse, so I'm just wearing them now because it's raining outside. I forgot I got this e.l.f. box, so I thought I would show you guys what I got in it because I'm actually really excited about some of these products because they're all like summery based. So the first thing is this brightening mask, lemon infused. Exciting, I don't know. Then we have these booster drops, which are drops that I think you put in your foundation. I'm not 100% sure. No. Oh, you can. Yeah, you can either mix it in with foundation or your moisturizer, or you can just apply it onto your clean skin. So that's kind of cool. And then this glow lotion, which reminds me of the Rihanna lotion that she came out with. So this is the Luminous Gold one. You can use it daily after cleansing, and you just massage some into your hands, face, all of your neck, cheekbones, brow bones, wherever you want to put it. So I will definitely be trying this out when I'm in London because it sounds really cool. So I'll have to remember to pack this stuff. And then they sent one of their eyeshadow palettes. So I've never been a huge fan of these. I do have the Mad for Matte one, but I really just used the one shade for eyebrows, and then I used a couple of the other darker brown shades, but some of the lighter ones weren't really as pigmented and they didn't blend as well. But this is what this one looks like. So the colors look very pretty. They're all pretty warm, so So I'll definitely try this out and let you guys know how it is, because these are the type of shades that I tend to go for. I usually use burgundies and then like tans. So this is the Sunset Rose Gold one. And then the last thing in here is this Power Glow highlighter. So I've had one of these before, if you guys remember, but this one is a different shade. So this one is just the gold one. So interested to see how bright. Oh yeah, this is like gold. Wow. So that is like crazy gold. So I guess you really only need like a little bit of this. I guess you could also mix this in with stuff because it is so sparkly. e.l.f. is usually pretty good for sensitive skin types, but I would double check on some of these newer products because a lot of them have glitter in them, and I know obviously that's not the best for sensitive skin. But huge thank you to e.l.f. as always for sending me out a box every single month. I'm so blessed. I will have all these products linked down below if you guys want to check any out. So it is now 12:18 and we are headed off to do some shopping. I don't really need anything. I was gonna see if I could possibly find a black cardigan. My mom's letting me borrow one, but if I could find one that would like be better suited for my outfits, then that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm really afraid of being cold. So the majority of the stuff that I'm packing is the stuff that I got from Express and then some stuff from Shein. But the issue is a lot of it, why are they going? People can't drive. A lot of the stuff is like short sleeves, but then I have some stuff that's long sleeved, and then I have some jeans outfits, so it's a bit random, but I can like switch stuff around because I'm also bringing shorts. So I just want to have a cardigan because my legs don't really get cold. It's usually my arms that are getting cold. So we're going to where? Ross. And then you said we might also go to Marshall's.
Yeah, it depends. If we can't find what we need, then we'll go somewhere else. Yeah,
so we'll see what we can do. We're gonna go to Ross first. I haven't been to Ross in a really long time, but I'm kind of excited. We're in the bag section. My mom's looking for a backpack. They actually have some really nice bags. Like these backpacks are really cute. I love these. I kind of want a Michael Kors one if it doesn't have leather, but it's too expensive. And then what was the backpack that we saw that I found?
Here.
Oh yeah, and then I saw this one, which was nice. This one was only $17, but there's not like a brand. Literally just looking around, seeing what we can find for her. I don't need a bag. I have way too many bags already. But they do have some really cute like little black bags, so maybe I'll get something anyways. So I ended up getting a wallet, and then I got a black cardigan. So I'm just gonna pull the cardigan out. So it's just basic long sleeve, pretty long black cardigan. And then my mom got,
I purchased it.
Yeah, she paid for half of it because I was too cheap, and I said I don't want to pay for it. I can't spend that much money, and it's $11, so I only have to spend $5. And then I don't know what this parking lot is crazy. I don't understand. I don't know what they're doing. But yeah, I only have to pay for half of it because I said I don't really want to spend any money, and she said, okay, I guess I can spend a little bit of money for you. And I said, thank you. And then I got a wallet. So this wallet was only $20. It's a Guess wallet, so pretty nice. Nothing too crazy, but I've been needing a wallet because I've been using this wallet for 3.5 to 4 years. I got it in one of my first, I think I got this in my first Shein haul I ever did. So it's just way too big for all of my bags, and it's really frustrating because I can't use the bags that I want to because my wallet's too big. It is 4:45 now, and I'm actually editing the video that you guys are watching right now. So I'm set to have my physique update video go up in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna monitor that after it goes up. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do for uploading these to figure out what time makes the most sense. I guess I'll just keep it on what East Coast time would be. Everyone in my house is like screaming right now. So we just got, not Chipotle. I wish we got Chipotle. The Chipotle by us is a train wreck. So I got Qdoba, and on my bowl, I got grilled fajitas, cilantro, black beans, cilantro, rice, corn salsa, mango salsa, tortilla strips, and guacamole. Changed into my how you doing. sweatshirt, and then I have the top underneath. Leggings, I'm wearing slippers right now, but I'm gonna wear my Converse actually. I was gonna wear sandals, but it's raining, and I don't know, sometimes TSA doesn't make you take your shoes off, so we'll see. I got the cinnamon pretzel bites and the caramel sauce. Did you bring your Chipotle with you?
Yeah, I wasn't hungry when it came.
Put it in there, and the first struck of the hammer, it cracked. So they had to take it out and cast another one.
Oh,
but when they put it up there, it cracked again, so they left it. So that's why it's got that quaint sound of crane, you know what I mean? And not a clean sound, you understand?
It is 1:20. We just arrived in our room. It's actually really cute. It's kind of like an apartment type style. So sofa bed, brother and I are sharing. Bed for my parents. There's a huge mirror here, which is very nice. Then there's a table, chair, TV. There's a floor length mirror here. There's like a kitchen area, sink, drying rack, mini stove, bunch of cabinets, and then the bathroom. My mom's in there now, but I'll show you guys that when we get in there. Are you sure we don't have electricity? What is that? But so tired. Barely slept on the flight. I tried watching Black Panther and I fell asleep. I still haven't seen that movie yet. And then I also tried watching Pitch Perfect 2, but I also fell asleep. So I just ended up listening to music. But the flight wasn't terrible. There were no delays or anything. And then we took a bus to Victoria Station, and then we took a cab here. So